In the age of Industry 4.0 and the industrial Internet of Things, manufacturing is truly a global affair, with manufacturers throughout the world facing many of the same pressures. Reduce cost per part, improve productivity, work within tighter tolerances, and meet demanding delivery schedules.
We don't tend to shop the field. We tend to meet a supplier, develop a relationship with them, and then partner with them. And I can't think of a better company to partner with than LNS in the machining industry.
The LNS mission is to enable manufacturers around the world to optimize the performance of their CNC machine tools with the industry's broadest assortment of smart and easy-to-use peripherals. Only LNS offers the broadest range of bar feeders for fixed and sliding headstock machines that accommodate bar diameters from less than 1 millimeter to 120 millimeters, and with the fastest changeover times available. And no one else has more chip and coolant management systems that handle all chip types and sizes to eliminate bottlenecks, including self-cleaning chip conveyors that filter particles as small as 50 microns to reduce coolant costs and machine downtime. For healthier and safer workplaces, LNS oil coolant mist collectors remove mist, smoke, and other fine aerosols and particulates.
Our challenge is to extract the labor out of the cost of making the product. And LNS helps us to do this in several ways. One is that we use their automatic bar feed machines so that the material would be advanced into the machine without a machinist being present. We also use the chip conveyor product, the turbo chip conveyor, so that we don't have to stop the machine to clean out the scrap. And the third is we use their series of mist collectors to clean the air to make a better environment for our employees.
LNS continuously leads the industry in advancing product performance with more patents than any other peripherals company. From introducing the Hydrobar concept of bar feeding in 1975, to adding servo motors and absolute encoders that further refine bar loading and reduce changeover times, and through its pioneering interconnectivity work, developing eConnect, the first Ethernet communication system.
With the ability now to share data through the LNS eConnect system, it allows us to then process more intelligently on the machine tool what we want the next steps of our process to be.
So we at American Punch have always prided ourselves in implementing new technology, new functionality, and so this bar feed has really allowed us to increase productivity.
LNS products are supported worldwide by over 800 technicians, customer support staff, and applications experts, all of whom are focused on one thing: exceeding customer expectations.
We tend to look around when we're going to partner with a new machine tool supplier, accessory supplier, and then we pick one and we stick with them. And over a 30-year period, I think we made the right choice with LNS.
Global customer support, the industry's broadest and most advanced line of peripherals that optimizes your CNC machine's performance. Only from one source: LNS.